Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Art of Decor. First of all, thank you so much for support me and my channel. Here are some inspiring benefits of incorporating trending wall art ideas into your home decor. Personal expression. Trending wall art allows you to express your personality and style. Whether you prefer abstract, minimalist, or bold and colorful design, wall art reflects who you are and what you love. Enhanced aesthetics. Wall arts can significantly elevate the look of any room. It adds color, textures, and a focal point, transforming a plain wall into a visually appealing masterpiece that enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. Mood enhancement. Art has the power to influence your emotion. Choosing wall art that resonate with you can create choosing wall art you can create a calming, encouraging, or inspiring atmosphere in your home, contributing to your overall well-being. Conversation starter. Unique and trendy wall art piece can be great conversation starter when you have guests over. They provide an interesting topic to discuss and can often lead to deeper connection about art and personal taste. Increase value. Investing in trendy wall arts can increase the value of your home. High quality, well chosen piece can make your space look more luxurious and curated, which is appealing to potential buyer. Versatility. Wall art is versatile and can be easily updated to keep you with changing trends or seasons. This allows you to refresh your decor without major renovations, keeping your space looking current and stylish. Inspiration and motivation. Art can be source of inspiration and motivation, whether it is motivational course and inspiring landscapes or a vibrant abstract piece. Wall art can inspire creativity and positive thinking in your daily life. Space definition. In open plan home, wall art can help define different areas. For example, a bold piece can mark the dining area while a serene landscape can indicate a relaxation space, adding structure and flow to your layout. Cultural appreciation. Trending wall art often includes works from various cultures and artists. Incorporating these pieces into your home decor allows you to appreciate and celebrate diverse artists' appreciation and cultural heritage. Therapeutic effects. Creating a viewing art can have therapeutic benefits. Displaying artwork that you love can reduce stress and promote mental health, creating a sanctuary within your home where you can unwind and feel at peace. Showcasing talent. If you are an artist or have artistic family members, displaying wall art can be a way to showcase talent and creativity. It adds a personal touch to your home decor, making it unique and special. Educational value. Art can be educational, especially if you include pieces that have historical significance or tell a story. This can be great way to engage children and guests, sparking curiosity and learning opportunities. Complementary decor. Trending wall art can complement your exciting decor and tie different elements together. It can harmonize with furnitures, rugs, and other decorative items, creating a choice and well thought out designs. Supporting artists. By purchasing and displaying trendy wall arts, you are supporting artists and the art community. This sports helps artists continue to create and share their works, contributing to the cultural richness of society. Customization. Many trendy wall art ideas can be customized to suit your space and taste, from choosing specific colors to customizing bespoke spaces. Customization ensures that your wall art fits perfectly with your vision for your home. Incorporating trending wall art into your home decor is not just about following fashion, it's about enhancing your living space in a way that is meaningful, personal, and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.